Welcome to channel, Effortless English from Zero. Learn to speak English like a native. If you are new here, consider subscribing. He ate a candy bar. Listen and repeat. He picked up the candy bar. He read the label. The label said Baby Ruth. He unwrapped the candy bar. He threw the wrapper into the trash can. He bit into the candy bar. He chewed it. He swallowed it. He bit into the candy bar again. It was delicious. He loved candy bars. Listen and answer. Did he pick up the candy bar?
Yes, he picked up the candy bar.
Who picked up the candy bar?
David picked up the candy bar.
What did he do?
He picked up the candy bar.
Did he read the label?
Yes, he read the label.
Who read the label?
David read the label.
What did he read?
He read the label.
Did the label say Baby Ruth?
Yes, the label said Baby Ruth.
What said Baby Ruth?
The label said Baby Ruth.
What did the label say?
The label said Baby Ruth.
Did he unwrap the candy bar?
Yes, he unwrapped the candy bar.
Who unwrapped the candy bar?
David unwrapped the candy bar.
What did he do?
He unwrapped the candy bar.
Did he throw the wrapper into the trash can?
Yes, he threw the wrapper into the trash can.
Who threw the wrapper into the trash can?
David threw the wrapper into the trash can.
Where did he throw the wrapper?
He threw the wrapper into the trash can.
Did he bite into the candy bar?
Yes, he bit into the candy bar.
Who bit into the candy bar?
David bit into the candy bar.
What did he bite into?
He bit into the candy bar.
Did he chew it?
Yes, he chewed it.
Who chewed it?
David chewed it.
What did he do?
He chewed it.
Did he swallow it?
Yes, he swallowed it.
Who swallowed it?
David swallowed it.
What did he do?
He swallowed it.
Did he bite into the candy bar again?
Yes, he bit into the candy bar again.
Who bit into the candy bar again?
David bit into the candy bar again.
What did he bite into again?
He bit into the candy bar again.
Was it delicious?
Yes, it was delicious.
What was delicious?
The candy bar was delicious.
Did he love candy bars?
Yes, he loved candy bars.
Who loved candy bars?
David loved candy bars.
What did he love?
He loved candy bars.
Point of view, today. Listen and repeat. He picks up the candy bar. He reads the label. The label says Baby Ruth. He unwraps the candy bar. He throws the wrapper into the trash can. He bites into the candy bar. He chews it. He swallows it. He bites into the candy bar again. It is delicious. He loves candy bars. Point of view, tomorrow. Listen and repeat. He will pick up the candy bar. He will read the label. The label will say Baby Ruth. He will unwrap the candy bar. He will throw the wrapper into the trash can. He will bite into the candy bar. He will chew it. He will swallow it. He will bite into the candy bar again. It will be delicious. He will love candy bars. Vocabulary. Candy bar. Label. Unwrap. Wrapper. Trash can. Bite. Chew. Swallow. Delicious. Question of the day. Do you love candy bars? Let me know in the comments below. You have to watch this video every day, for at least 2 weeks. Thank you for watching. If you want to watch more videos, consider subscribing.
See you again. Bye bye.